What if I told you the world did not collapse because of war or poverty, but because we quietly replaced Allah's system of justice with a system designed to keep nations in permanent chains? A system where debt grows faster than life, faster than production, faster than hope, and the most shocking part, it all began long before most people even realized money had stopped being real. Set the stage: before banks, before interest, wealth was simple: gold, silver, trade, and trust. But as empires expanded, a quiet shift began. Rulers discovered that controlling money was more powerful than controlling armies. Centuries later, European financiers perfected something far more dangerous: debt-based money. A tool that looked scientific but was built on riba, the very thing the Quran declares war against. Origins: the turning point came in the 1600s with the rise of central banking. Paper replaced metal. Debt replaced wealth. A note backed by nothing was suddenly treated as value. This was the birth of endless borrowing and the death of financial justice. Rise. By the 20th century, governments realized the truth. You don't need money to fund wars or development. You just borrow it from your own central bank with interest. Nations entered a race where every dollar created came from debt, and every debt demanded more debt to survive. Breaking point: 1971 changed everything. When the last gold link was cut, money became pure credit, an illusion. Global debt exploded from billions to trillions, to a point where today humanity owes more than $300 trillion, more than triple the world's total production. This was the exact moment Islamic economic justice was pushed aside, replaced by a machine that grows debt the way fire grows smoke. Fallout: inflation became permanent. Savings became worthless. Nations became slaves to lenders, and the poor paid for a system they never chose. Just as the Quran warned, riba destroys wealth. Failed fixes, bailouts, stimulus, new currencies. Digital finance, none of them fix the root cause. A financial engine built on riba can only produce instability. Modern parallel. Today, 9 out of 10 countries are drowning in debt. Even powerful nations borrow just to pay interest. The world keeps repeating the same pattern: create debt gives panic, gives inflate, gives repeat. Exactly the cycle Islamic economics was meant to prevent. 3 takeaways. 1. Debt-based money is not accidental. It was engineered. 2. The Qur'anic system is not old. It is the only system that prevents eternal slavery. 3. Until riba ends, justice cannot begin. Ending. The question now is not when the system will break, but how prepared we will be when it does. If you believe the world needs an economy of justice, not chains, then like and share this video so more people wake up.